Welcome to Pinvest TV, India's first real estate channel. Let's dive into latest property news from Indian market. The collapse of Lavasa Corporation, a luxury hillside resort project near Mumbai, has exposed the shortcomings of India's bankruptcy laws. Nearly 25 years after its launch, the development remains largely incomplete, with only 5,000 residents living in what was supposed to be an elite community, housing 3 lakh people. The project, designed as an exclusive retreat for the wealthy, has now turned into a financial disaster, leaving many homeowners in limbo. Last week, the situation worsened when a bankruptcy court rejected the only serious bidder interested in rescuing Lavasa from its 6-year insolvency. As a result, creditors must restart their search for a new investor to revive the stalled development. Lavasa, nestled in the Sahyadri Mountains, was envisioned as India's answer to Italy's Portofino, offering a luxurious escape from the chaos of overpopulated cities like Mumbai, Delhi, and Bengaluru. However, the ambitious project collapsed, weighed down by over $1 billion in debt, with most of it owed to financial institutions. Many homebuyers who invested in Lavasa lost $63 million in lease advances. Meanwhile, those who have moved in are left in a crumbling, sparsely populated community, with landslides destroying several homes during this year's monsoons. The failure of Lavasa underscores the challenges faced by the Indian state in providing livable spaces for its growing urban population. While private investment was seen as a potential solution, Lavasa's downfall has shown the limitations of relying on capital-driven projects to address urban planning issues. Launched in 2016, India's bankruptcy laws were intended to rescue distressed projects like Lavasa but have struggled to make headway, even as creditors accept significant losses. In July 2023, the Insolvency Tribunal approved the sale of Lavasa to Darwin Platform Infrastructure Limited, but the deal fell apart amid legal troubles. With creditors losing patience, the court has now ordered a new search for buyers, adding further delays. Lavasa, once envisioned as a world-class destination with golf courses and educational institutions, now lies in decay. The only active institutions are Christ University and an old-age home. The project, once a symbol of luxury, now reflects the failure of India's bankruptcy law, with no clear solution in sight. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinvest TV.